Join us today as we explore the river walk beside the Snake River in Idaho Falls. There are approximately 5 miles of beautifully landscaped area around the Riverwalk. There's beautiful benches, a really nice Veterans War Memorial along the walk. Visible from anywhere along the waterfront is the Idaho Falls Temple. You can see this anywhere along the Snake River. The temple was constructed by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Construction began in 1939 and was complete in 1945. The church is a very impressive sight, as well as the falls. If you're ever in the area, we do recommend that you check this out because it is really a beautiful sight to see. Hope you enjoyed our tour around the Riverwalk. See you next time.